Ever wondered if YNAB, your favorite budgeting tool, can magically upload your transactions? Well, let's dive in and find out. Imagine this: you're sitting back, relaxing, and your budgeting app is doing all the heavy lifting. No more manually entering transactions, no more late-night data entry sessions. Sounds like a dream, right? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what YNAB is all about. It's a budgeting method that helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring you're always on top of your finances. Now, when it comes to uploading transactions, YNAB takes a slightly different approach than some other budgeting apps. So, does YNAB upload transactions automatically? Well, not exactly. YNAB doesn't have a built-in feature to directly import transactions from your bank accounts. This might seem a bit old school, but it actually has its advantages. The benefits of manual entry. Control and accuracy. By manually entering your transactions, you have complete control over what goes into your budget. You can double-check for any errors and ensure that everything is categorized correctly. Engagement. Manually entering transactions can be a great way to stay connected to your finances. It helps you become more aware of where your money is going and makes it easier to make informed decisions. Workarounds and tips. While YNAB doesn't have automatic transaction uploads, there are a few workarounds to make the process smoother. CSV imports. Some banks allow you to export your transaction history as a CSV file. You can then import this file into YNAB, saving you time on manual entry. Third-party apps. There are third-party apps and services that can connect to your bank accounts and automatically sync your transactions with YNAB. These can be a great option if you're looking for a more automated solution. Mobile app. YNAB's mobile app makes it easy to enter transactions on the go. You can even take a photo of your receipt and the app will extract the relevant information. So, while YNAB might not have the same level of automatic transaction uploading as some other budgeting apps, it offers a more hands-on approach that can be beneficial for many people. By manually entering your transactions, you gain greater control, accuracy, and engagement with your finances. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy budgeting.